dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Deandra Renee, and today I am here to review some more contact lenses for you guys. I just filmed a contact lens review literally like minutes ago. So if you guys are looking for Solotica Hydro Core contact reviews, then make sure you check that video out. I did display 4 different colors, so check that out if you're interested. But today I am here to review some new contact lenses. Now these aren't brand new, they're new to me. These are the Solflex natural color contact lenses. So they are also by Solotica, but I normally wear the Solotica Hydro Core contact lenses, which I absolutely love. So I wanted to try something new, so I decided to get the natural colors. So I have 6 different colors for you guys. So I am going to try those on for you, and you can kind of see how they look on dark eyes. So of course my eyes are a natural dark brown. I'll show you guys a close-up of that so you can see how the contact lens will look on your eyes if you do have dark eyes. So I'm going to jump straight into the review. So here's a close-up of my eyes. You guys can see I have very dark eyes. Solflex Quartzo in artificial lighting. Solflex Quartzo in natural lighting. Solflex Cristal in artificial lighting. Solflex Cristal in natural lighting. Solflex Topazio in artificial lighting. Solflex Topazio in natural lighting. The sun's going down, you guys. Solflex Esmeralda in artificial lighting. Solflex Mel in artificial lighting. Solflex Mel in natural lighting. Solflex Ocre in artificial lighting. Solflex Ocre in natural lighting. Alright you guys, so that concludes my Solotica Solflex natural colors contact review. So as you guys can see, they are very different from the Solotica hydrocore lenses. I'm not gonna say if it's a good different or a bad different. It's very different, but what's not different is you still get that same great coupon code. So I will leave the link down below for these lenses as well as my coupon code, so you can save a little bit of money on these great lenses. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check them out. And if you guys would like to see some other lenses that I have reviewed, make sure you check out my other reviews. I will leave a link for those videos down below and up above as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any other colors or any other type of lenses that you guys would like for me to review, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll check those out. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.